Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing you guys my profits for today. Today is August 21st, 2020, and as you can see here, my profit is $103.64. And yeah, let's just get into the video. Let me just show you my trades. Alright, as I mentioned, today is Friday, and if you take a look here at the chart, we can definitely see that it is below the VWAP. And like I mentioned, most Fridays it's usually red, even though the futures were actually making all-time highs. This doesn't happen, you know, it doesn't always have to follow the futures, but as we can see that Amazon itself was below the line. I think Apple also made all-time highs, and Tesla definitely was going up today. So I usually trade Amazon, which the ticker symbol is AMZN. So yeah, if we can zoom in here a little bit, you can see my first trade. I waited for it to sell off hard first, so we had this first sell-off. I didn't get in as soon as the bell rang because you know that yesterday was also pretty much a huge day for Amazon, and what happens is it needs to actually correct itself, so you can't expect it to actually just start going higher and higher unless it breaks the pre-markets from yesterday. So you can see right here it did break a little bit, but it didn't break through enough for it to continue gapping up. So waited for the morning sell-off, which usually happens, and then waited for the second candle. As soon as it started popping off, I got in. I did not get in at the absolute bottom. As you can see right here, I only took a series of 2 trades, so 20 shares each. 32.91 is where I got in, so 32.91, so it was getting closer to the VWAP right here, and then I sold out 32.95. and that first trade I think I made at least $75, and then my second trade is where I actually made my goal of $100. So I waited until it was on top of the VWAP, and then I took my trade. So for my second trade right here, I got in 20 shares, 32.95, and then I got out 32.96. And then you can actually see where the VWAP, it hits the VWAP and then it got rejected. It just keeps getting rejected all day long. If I draw an arrow here, you can see that the direction isn't in your favor for today. The direction just isn't your friend. Pretty much it just goes selling off, it's just going down. Like, you don't want to trade something like this. However, if you look at something like Apple, we can see that Apple actually hit all-time highs. It went up 5.15%, $24 on the day. It's just absolutely amazing for Apple. So congrats if you actually traded that today. I didn't. I just want to stick to what I usually trade, whether it's a red day or a green day. I just got to challenge myself, and as you can tell, like last Friday we had this huge sell-off and I also lost money, so which I totally made up for this week, and I hit all my goals, and that's just that. I try to keep it as simple as possible. I didn't try to overtrade. I only took 2 trades and then I called it a day. So yeah, let me know in the comment section, how did you guys actually do today? Did you guys actually trade with well, first of all, are you still using ThinkorSwim? So my ThinkorSwim platform, it has been working fine for me and I'm happy with that. Is it still messing up for you guys, or did you just switch over to a new broker as of the whole? Let me know in the comment section down below, how did that go? And let me know in the comment section, did you guys actually trade today? If you made any profits, hopefully you didn't lose any money today. We can just come over here to the futures and see that the futures started making all-time highs. We broke through this resistance level right here. If I switch it to the 180-day, we can see that we definitely broke through this resistance, broke through here, and then we broke through here. All-time highs. Amazing, just amazing. So the main thing is try to keep your process as simple as possible. Remember, it's all about the process, not the profits, and you can definitely trade whether it's a red day or a green day. That's what makes a great trader. So yeah, that's pretty much my video for today. If you like this video, you know, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, man, notification bell, all that good stuff, man. You know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.